Hello friend, now we are going to see children and child node in DOM targeting. Okay. Hello friend, in our last video we see how we can target parent node. Okay, in this video we see how we can target children of the parent node. Okay, for example, I have this document of HTML. Here we have outer div, inner div, and within outer div we have outer tag. Within outer div we have h2 tag, within inner div we have h2 tag, then we have 5 div. Okay, this is how it's look like. Okay, now after that I'm going to target the outer div. For that I just use document.getElement by id, and here I provide the id outer, and after that here I change with parent with children. Now after that we print with the help of console.log. Now let's save. You can clearly see we get the HTML collection in the form of array. If I just expand, you can see we have two children of outer div. First is h2 tag that I show you, and after that we have inner div. Okay, and similarly we can target our inner div children. We just use inner. You can see we have inner id of div. Okay, now we are targeting that. Now let's save. You can see we got 6 children. Here you can see the length is 6, and first one is our inner, then we have A, then B, then C, then D, then E. Okay, now if we want to target the 0 index children, then we can use square bracket and after that provide 0. Now let's save. You can see we targeting inner div. Okay, and if we want to target one index, you can provide 1. Now let's save. You can clearly see this is our A block div. Okay, here we can change the styling of this index 1 child. Okay, now I just use here children, and after that providing the index 1, and here I use background color red. Now let's save. You can see the color of A block is changed. Now similarly you can change the color of any. If here I provide 0. Now let's save. You can see the inner tag color is changed. Okay, if you provide 5 here, suppose. Now let's save. You can see this color is changed. Okay, this is how you can use inner. This is how you can use children. Now let's see the difference between children and child node. For that we have to just comment this. Okay, now after that we are targeting outer first, outer, and here I use child nodes, and after that let's save. You can see here we have 5 children. You can clearly see text, then h1, then text, then inner, then text. You can see this is 5, but in case of our children it is 1 and 2 only. Okay, why this is giving 3 text more? Because it will count. Here you can see we have an outer, this is 1 enter, this is counting enter also. It count comment, it count anything that we use in our document, it count. For example, I just provide enter, and here I use command plus backslash, and here I provide a comment. Okay, now let's save. You can see now the length of this is now 7. You can see it count comment, and you can see when I provide 2 comment, it will increase the node list by 9. Here you can see we text, h2, then text, then comment, then text, then comment. It will count the enter also. Okay, now after that I just remove Now let's save. Similarly, we can change the styling of our children with the help of childNode. For example, I just use here inner. Here also I use inner, and after that I provide here child nodes, and after that I provide the index. First we see the index number. Here we have error. Let's provide 2 first of all. Now let's save. You can see, okay, we have to provide 1. Now let's save. After here you can see we have 13. Here you can see we have 13 child of inner div. Okay, here we have text, then h1, then text, then this box, then text, then this div, then text. Every space, it will count the average single space you provide, but if you provide multiple, then it will only count once. If you enter and provide something, then enter, it will count the 2 extra enter also, okay, as a children of that element. Okay, now here I provide 11 index. You can see the color of 11 index is changed. And when you try to change the color of text, for example, I just use 0 here. Now let's save. You can see we got the error. Why? Because this is just enter. We cannot style any enter in JavaScript or in HTML. So that's why it give us error. If we provide here 1, now let's save. The error is gone and the styling appear. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.